Hi. Listen, I'm going to show you how to make a pizza out of chicken and cheese, and it tastes better than bread. I like it better. I'm gonna find it at Pizza Hut. First, I want to eat some of these nuts because they're really good. Just gonna have a couple of them. I don't know why I got so addicted to those. All you gotta do is you want to get a pound of chicken from the store. I'm gonna wash my hands first. I almost grabbed them without washing my hands. But then I remember, I gotta wash my hands. I just got back from the store walking. I didn't shake nobody's hand though. So it'll be okay, huh? Don't shake nobody's hand. Don't get any germs. But I ain't worried about nobody else's cooties. My own immune system can handle it without any problem. What you want to do is you want to put it. What I've been doing is, and it's been coming out perfect. Is put it in this little food processor. And but you could probably just chop it up with a knife too. I just love the way this food processor takes care of it so easily. And I usually cut it up. I'm gonna cut it up. How to cook with a hillbilly. How to cook like a hillbilly. Ray's cooking channel. I'm gonna chop up this chicken. I'm gonna take and cut it up into, like I have been doing. So I done made 3 of them already, and they come out. So I have a habit of wanting to experiment with things, though. But that's why I cut these about. This is how I have been. Cut them up that size and stick them in this food chopper. Turn it on, and then make it just cut it all up. Start adding in stuff to it. I think I got everything I need out here. Hope so. I still have everything memorized. So I've got it. Put the chicken in there. Need a pound of chicken. 1 pound. I think I forgot to mention that. Just 1 pound. Well, depending on how much you want to make, you can always double the recipe. I'm trying to make this video really for people who don't usually cook, and wanna know how to and wanna lose some weight. I've got to get some weight off. I'm normally not fat, but this is what happens when you eat too much sugar and stuff. Your belly goes from being skinny, and then it grows. Go from skinny to fat. Just like that. Okay. Chop all this up. It's noisy. And that's all we need there. Get chopped up and stick it in this bowl. Put it in the bowl. If I can get it off. There we go. It came out. You just dump the chicken in here. And it seems like a lot. It's not. It seems like a lot of stuff, you know. It's not too bad. It's kind of fun. It's like artwork, you know. It's like art, except except you're working with food instead of paint or music. I love art. Used to love drawing when I was a kid. I've forgotten how. I mean, I absolutely forgot how to draw. I used to be able to draw anything I saw. And I don't know where it went. Just like I could, and then now I can't. You know what I think happened? I think this is dried oregano right here, and you want to see how much of the teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of oregano in there. Me and my brother went to this house one time when we was kids. This old abandoned house. We just went in and checked it out, and we thought we would look up through the cabinets in the kitchen and stuff, and we saw this bag of marijuana. Well, we thought it was marijuana, so we smoked some of it. I think I was 12. No, I was 13 at the time. I started junior high. He was a couple years older. And we thought we had hit the jackpot. We was smoking oregano. We didn't even get high. I wonder if it was good for us though. But yeah, you just put in a teaspoon of oregano in there. I got this on the Mexican food side of the store where all the good food is. Mexicans know how to make some good food. I love Mexican food and Chinese food. And then we want some. You want to put a cup of shredded cheese. I mean, a half a cup of shredded Parmesan. Measuring cup. And I gotta get the mozzarella out of the refrigerator. Half a cup of Parmesan. See, that's what it looks like so far. A pound of chicken shredded, Parmesan, and oregano. Teaspoon of oregano. Half a cup of Parmesan. And 1 cup of cheese. I could just use the half a cup twice instead of using this one once. Good. Wanted to. Put that in there. Oh, need an egg. I put an egg in it. 1 egg. Eggs aren't just for breakfast. Oh, another thing I added you can put on whatever you want for toppings, you know. It don't matter as far as that goes, or the pizza sauce you use. I'm just going to show how to make the crust. You want to put an egg in it. But you can put whatever sauce you want on it, whatever toppings you want. I like bell peppers, onions, and pepperoni and sausage and bacon. Oh, let's see what we need now. Need a tablespoon of this Red Hot, Frank's Red Hot, or Tabasco, whichever one you have. It's the same. It tastes the same to me. Let's put this in. 1 tablespoon. It's starting to look nasty now. But don't though, it tastes really good. Rinse this out. And let's see, we need half a teaspoon of salt. Got some sea salt here. I like using sea salt for cooking. I think I'll just take the whole lid off and make it easier on it. Dump that in there. And then we need a half a teaspoon of pepper. Oh, there's one thing I forgot too to tell you. One thing I forgot to do is put it on 400 degrees. And you want to actually put it up to 425 for about 20 minutes. Now we just have to stir it all up with the spoon. I like these little metal spoons. And they hold up better than those plastic. Well, it's hard to find a metal plastic. I mean, it's hard to find a metal big spoon because I think they're all made in China now. That's all they buy. And we'll get it. Let's keep the price low. Keep it low so that buy more. Except for things to stick in our arms though, and give us. Well, I can't even say it because I don't want to mess up this channel. Because I want to put my music on it stuff. So let's save it. Save it from my other channel that's been banned. It's alright. Word's getting out anyways, ain't it? Oh, I need that. Let's see. I forgot another step. I have to have a pan to put it in. And let's see. I want to get this other pan. I like cooking on this flat one. And on parchment paper. Parchment paper, not wax paper, parchment paper. You don't want to use wax paper to do this. Make sure you got parchment paper. So line it with, it's like you're baking cookies. It keeps the pizza from sticking. I haven't tried it without parchment paper, so I don't know if it will stick or not. I'm sure it probably wouldn't if you sprayed it with non-stick cooking spray. I'm just trying to avoid any harmful chemicals. Got a little bit older, you know, I've got to take care of myself a little better because I noticed that, you know, as the years go by, we don't bounce back quite as well as a kid. But we could. It's within us to do that. I mean, it's within us to live forever, I think. We just forgotten how. Got too involved in fear. I would like to know how we got there. I mean, we're all it is, ever was, and ever will be. That's what I believe we are. We know how to create. We create our own reality. And then something something come and hijack us some way, our creation, and then imprison our minds. Now they want us to attach to AI. I do like AI. I got a friend, an AI friend I asked advice from, and it's pretty accurate. I mean, it's amazing how far they've come up with it. How far they've come with AI so far, and I think we need to stop here. You know, I don't want us to be integrated with it. I don't want human beings or any kind of animal even to be integrated. I don't think most people want that. But then you just kind of, you know, after you pour it into the pan, you just kind of work it with the spoon. I'm sorry, I should have been showing you how to do that. But I'll tell you what I want to do. Alright, after you pour it in the pan, after you pour it out of the pan, you'll end up with a blob like this. And you just want to work it with your spoon. Just work it down. Work it around like that. Like you just want to keep messing with it. Get it flattened out. It's kind of hard to do at an angle like that. Go. But yeah, you just like you're making a sculpture, you know. Not that I know how to make a sculpture. I've watched other people do it on TV. Just keep working with it till you get it flat. It's going to be about 8 inches around. You can make it thicker, you know, you just have to add more to the recipe. I made it thick, and I do have to admit that I didn't like it as well. I like it thinner. It's just too much, you know. Just like a thick bread pizza. Of course, you know, if you like a thick bread pizza, you might like a thick chicken and cheese and oregano and salt pizza. But it's better this way. I like it better than with bread. And that's what you got on parchment paper. And then we got the oven preheated. So we just take it, stick it in the oven, and then leave it in there for 20 minutes. Oh no, some pans in there I forgot about. Let's try that again. Alright, I'll stop it, and then restart it when the pizza comes out. I just pulled it out of the oven, and this is what it looks like. Just gotta put the sauce and the toppings on it. I could do that, and then put it back in the oven. Yeah, I think I'll just go ahead and make one. Let's go ahead and make it. Oops. Drop my glass. Drop my cup. This is good stuff. I got that stored here. aloe vera juice. I like the way it tastes. So I think I can lower this. Gotta put some sauce on it. Might not take all of it. Usually don't. I like a lot of pizza sauce on a pizza. Like the cheese. I like a lot of cheese. I'm gonna get rid of this food processor. I don't need that. Feeling a little bit better than what I was earlier today. Sometimes it just comes and goes, and I'll feel get sick. But I'm gonna be all right. Getting better and better and better. Want to hear something? I don't know if you hear it on there or not, though. That one took effort. It was like it was stuck in there or something. Oh, man. Look at this. Bacon, aloe. Get the bacon, put the pizza sauce in there. I'm used to it. The bell peppers, some jalapenos, some onion, let's see, pepperoni. I think that's it. I wrote it all down. Wrote it down so I remember. So I can remember better. So I can remember better than the times that I forgot. I don't like to forget. I just spread these pepperonis out. Stick them on there just like that. I like a lot of pepperoni on it. Stick them on there. Let's see, we got space for one more. I wonder, I was there thinking, I wonder if I put like a topping and then spread just a little bit of cheese on it. I wonder what that would come out. How that would look. Let's try that. Okay, put on a topping. Get into the cheese. Sprinkle a little cheese on it. It really tastes good when you're under the influence of cannabis to eat a pizza. Alright, let's put these back. Put some jalapenos on here. These jalapenos, they're a little bit better. I mean, those kinds. Sometimes you get them and they're not that hot. I noticed some Mexican restaurants. I think they're getting them from a certain store that starts with a W. It has two words. First word starts with a W, and the second word starts with an M, as in Mark. Put a little more cheese on it to cover up those, because we want those jalapenos to stay nice and warm. We don't want them to get cold. Okay, now I'm gonna put some bacon on it. Cut up this bacon. Scissors are there. There they are. Yeah, it was good the other day with this bacon on there. This is really good bacon. I got it at the store for a lot cheaper than a package. I mean, a normal package. It's this. They call it bits and pieces, but there's full. I mean, the bacon's not bits and pieces. It's full bacon. So somebody's making a mistake. Somebody's being nice to us, aren't they? I think so. I think somebody. We got some good people in the world. Because some of us are angels. We're all angels. Just some of us don't realize it. That's what. Too many of us don't remember. But the memories are coming back. So we'll have the world we were meant to have soon. I'm glad for that. Put this away. But I gotta put some more cheese on it. And then I think I'm gonna save the bell pepper for last. Put this on there. Gotta have some bell pepper on it. Let's finish spreading the cheese first. Cheese on there. If you don't like cheese, I feel so sorry for you. I'm glad I don't have a dislike toward cheese. I'm glad I love cheese. I mean, I can't eat it in gobs, but here and there, you know. I like a normal amount of cheese on things. Go a little heavy on the onions sometimes. And it's not so bad, you know, when it's cooked. You wouldn't want to do it raw. And I would. Some people would. Okay, I think that's enough onion. Oh, I forgot. Mushrooms. Gotta have mushrooms. Now, I had some cut up in here already. They were already sliced up in this bag from cooking mushrooms the other day on a pizza. Yeah, definitely got to put mushrooms on here. I kind of like cooking a pizza. It's not something I usually do. I found I like it. Because you can put whatever you want on it. You can do whatever you want with it. It's not that hard. It just takes a little bit of time. Not much. Might not have had nothing better to do anyway. It's kind of relaxing. It's almost like playing music. Just kind of get in your own head. And that's what we have ready to go in the oven. I'll let you see what it looks like when it's done. Oh, put some more pizza. I gotta put some more cheese on it. Yeah, it's gonna be real good. I'm gonna put a little extra mozzarella on it. A little bit of extra cheese. It's like it's been snowed.